Star Engineers, founded in the year 1988 by Mr. Lal Ramrekha, with an aim of becoming a global leader in the production of electronic components. With a history spanning more than 3 decades, Star is a pioneer in the delivery of cutting-edge technology and superior products to the automotive and non-automotive sectors. Today Star has the state-of-the-art facility for designing and manufacturing in India and Vietnam. The Star facilities are well equipped with cutting-edge tools for designing and validating the performance of the product, such as emission testing and endurance testing facilities.
I have taken this challenge to start an industry to create more employment in the country with all innovative concepts. So I started Star. We have infused ethics as a core value in business and personal life. With ethics, we were very much loyal to our customers. Similarly, customers were loyal to Star. So we could build more and more business.
The company's culture, I'm the second generation to the company, and as a legacy, I have taken a lot of learnings from my father. And we always had a culture of believing in people, making a team, good teamwork. The people need to be retained for lifetime and loyally working with everybody. So I think so this legacy I'm continuing with the next generation, and this culture will help us to grow. Star always wanted to be a flag bearer for development and innovation. So we have achieved that through multiple product developments. We have developed technologies for the two-wheeler and three-wheeler automotive industries in the past 35 years. And I think so that has changed the complete growth of the company.
Star Engineers has over the last 35 years excelled in quality and evolved with technology. Star has developed products with innovative ideas, DTSI standards such as solid-state vessels and contactless sensors.
So we have grown with innovation. We have innovated a lot of technological products in the last 35 years. And also one of the reasons of growing is we have thought globally. So we've expanded globally now, and I think so that is one of the reasons in 35 years we have grown at these rates.
Star has a global reach, catering to the industry's top players. With a team that is dedicated, steadfast, and focused on one purpose, Star has achieved perfection. Over 3 decades of constant service, innovation, fast delivery, and technical foresight has resulted in the highest level of customer satisfaction.
Over 35 years of experience Star. We learn a lot from the customer, from industry, from society, and from end user. We evaluate from end user to customer to our product.
In 35 years, we have many people coming in and joining Star, and still today they are working with us for a long time. I appreciate their participation for the company. I wish more people get connected with Star in the future, and make a big change in the company for the growth of the company.
The Star culture has evolved around the comfort for the people, a culture that supports the team and the employees to take up new initiatives and new learnings, which clearly reflects on the assembly line and the quality of the products.
कंपनीबद्दल सांगायचं असेल तर कंपनीचं एन्व्हायरमेंट वगैरे खूप छान आहे आणि मॅनेजमेंट बद्दल बोलताना तर खूप सपोर्टिंग आहे, खूप सारे सपोर्ट करतात, नवीन गोष्टी शिकण्यासाठी संधी देतात आणि इकडले एम्प्लॉई किंवा सगळे जे लोक आहेत ते खूप व्यवस्थित वगैरे सपोर्टिव्ह आहेत. ते पण
विविध प्रकारे हेल्प करत आहे, जसं की मॉर्निंग शिफ्टला ॲडजस्ट करायचं असेल, ते घरची कामं असतील, पर्सनल तर मॅनेज करते.
We as a Star, we are dedicated to society. We are dedicated to the nature.
Along with attention to quality, Star is also committed to improving awareness of society's expectations and responsibilities through business, social contribution, and environmental conservation initiatives.
We are developing electronics, high-end electronics for two-wheelers and three-wheelers for the Indian EV industry. And I would like to also take it ahead to the four-wheeler category of vehicles globally for developing new products for the four-wheeler category of customers. and this will, I think, so take our company multifold to a multifold growth. The passion is I am a star.